You have no idea what I've been through. But I'm not a bitch. I grew up. Stop it! I have never in my life jumped on balls like this. When my mother said that this is because she loves me. I was fucking ass. We were all fucking ass. How dare you? Learn something from this. When you go to Poppy, you lay there and you juggle them balls for yourself. Because nobody's gonna juggle them balls for you. You rolling your ass and you act like this because you've heard it all before. You've heard it all before. You don't know where the hell I come. You have no idea what I've been through. But I'm not a bitch. I grow from it and I'll come. Suck that dick till it come for yourself.
Oh my God! What the dog doing?
I don't know what to do. Are we through? Is this the end? Thought we just started. The show is at 8 and your train is at 9. I thought you were mine to me, but as time passed